Okay, here's our second example for finding areas under curves, and you'll see that here they've given us this area to find between the curve and the x-axis. And so we've got our two intercepts, -4 and 0 here. So when we develop our integral, it's going to read from -4 to 0, because 0 is the bigger number here, and we're integrating x squared plus 4x. So we're choosing that form of the function because this one we can't integrate directly. Okay, so integrating this function, we're going to have x cubed over 3 plus 2x squared, and evaluating that from -4 to 0. And so when we put 0 into this function, we're just going to have 0. So we've got 0 minus, and then putting a -4 in, -4 to the 3 over 3 plus 2 times -4 squared. Okay, so let's get our calculator out, put that in. So we have 0 minus -4 to the power of 3 divided by 3. And I'll need an extra set of brackets here, plus 2 times -4 squared, and that gives us a syntax error, so we need another bracket here, obviously. No. So -4 squared. Okay, just a little bit suspicious of that figure. And now it's not letting me write. This is turning into a little bit of a disaster. Okay, while my computer sorts itself out, we'll just go back to the integral and work it out to check that answer of 53 is correct. So put in the integral x squared plus 4x, and we're going from -4 to 0, and that gives us -10.6 recurring. And let's just see why that's not working. Let's get rid of that, and let's start drawing. Okay, so -10 2/3 was our answer. Sorry about that delay there. Okay, so let's just double check our first calculation and see where we went wrong there. So we've got our first set of brackets, open, 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 close, close. That's closed, so we actually need another set of brackets there, and another set of brackets there. Okay, so that gives us the same answer. All right, now when you've got a negative area here, you just need to interpret that a little bit carefully. The question is asking for the shaded area. The negative just indicates that it's below the x-axis, but the significant thing here, or the question is actually asking for area, and so we just state that area is equal to 10 2/3. So we're interpreting that although the area is below the x-axis, it still has a positive value because negative area doesn't actually have any real application or any real context. So just be aware that when you find an area under the x-axis, it will come out as negative, and you will have to interpret that carefully. Okay, so you've got some work to practice down here, and I'll let you get away with that.